It is not here back. It was the self again. Oya number, Oya state, Kondia state.
No nwa Eliza, nwa Chale batani. The photos we bata, makana obale egu we bata. Ne ko gale kera afa gi sina afa gi bo gede.
E mana afam now. Mana kan ko wa fundina ma ho. Afam bu Chidera Chibuzo. Previous Icsn exec, finance and network director.
Typical, one like Lego. Igbo woman. I like Lego too much. I'm ebe obu na ego de umu nwanyi buy na ebe. So, akụkọ. Yeah, it's not okay. Could you see no maka Icsn buy?
Hey, could you think you know maka Icsn again? Match test kwa man otegon odum ki ya 2015. Oh, my father said, there I be a kai join and Kendon Sukakai, and said that I do my joining Kendon Suka, not also the old people nearby. I also know where both us no Icsn or Icsn, Nanga search Gawayana. So, as at the time, uno name me Rigi. Ngani Riju, my cousins and Fanchanine. I will enjoy it. And so okay, could I go to meeting? Has him the following year month nga meeting. From meeting, I got a meeting beginning 2016. Yeah, borough member na March 2016. And do Ghana on AGM. Here na run for execs. Right there on the spot to Snanga finance exec. Could I name that thing? I'm not never research, but
finance.
I want from
vice second Obara. Kedafia PR neba.
Could I think you should get a job?
Finance. No. Like lady for if we make-up, Mary-Kay or Mary-Key, then plot of land.
Respect on my name,
plot of land.
Nas, get it correct. Get it right,
Nas gonna. Our Nas in case it's a hard knock life for us. People plot of land in Isina Pali. Also say, yeah. Say we be at Icsn we the same day kiwe funu otu Igbo sa atonwa like ka Igbo yo Igbo. O ozo o ga bukwo Igbo. O like Igbo. The same door bata. Us no finance ko ga ba. Maka gine ne ke fi na.
Mana mo otu ngechi bata mo.
Network director. Get
finance officer.
If you go near, if you ain't always, you like ego de, all like you didn't can, So it's new member. Can you like what? Can you feel like an Igbo membership?
The membership there quite a lot of benefits actually. You know, when you remember, you get to interact with other Igbo people like-minded like you, and as at the time. I was young, you know, enjoying life, that kind of thing. Well, not that young, I was in my early 20s.
Not chop life. Always. All of what? You're not
chop her responsibility. You want to go? So could I suppose Evie?
Oh, yeah, and that time, can you responsible in our exactly. Go and calculate.
Every parent's joy. Only my from one keg.
Gente, I'm going to pound. Get that 1 pound or 1,000. I neighbor goes. Then you see. Oh, if you join the millionaire club,
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I don't have your time.
The guy na forgot about go I can I compare. Don't worry. How about yours? I go mine.
I go to my land. I go my land.
Oh yes. So you put a member. Can you feel it in a member gang?
Member, can you feel it in a member? So many things, you know. Monthly events. Both networking events and social events. I know them every month, and then Irigi, my favorite part, you know, preparing for Irigi and the amount of people, the turnover, people that travel all the way from Newcastle, Liverpool, you know, the excitement that actually Igbo people come together, because Now UK, you only get to see Yoruba people. No offense, so because in the buy no more. Now US, now Houston, also too much. We're married.
Oh yes.
The man like he got to UIU Houston every year. Why can't they come to ICSN every year? Nah, for there's some people be going from US, man. No, planning it during their holiday. I actually keep planning during their holiday. I actually know Kim Wefe. Take your annual leave now, so we aim to be like that, and that's the whole membership packages, and obviously other perks like welfare check, ICSN, the welfare exec na president na bia afu one all those things, and present a gift, cooking school, dancing school, so many things. Language school, language school.
So you need the Lebanon.
Yeah, you need the Lebanon, parents chokwa, couldn't cause I name as youth in the youths. Funding were under 18 because I say from 18 to 45
for it's not forgetting.
Oh, from 18 to 45.
I walk neighbor go boss one chance.
Sorry, 18 to 40. Sorry, because we need to 45. We are welcome. You're welcome.
I go boss one chance.
But the dog quite old. The dog, you can the young.
Oh, the young.
Me now.
Give one. Of course.
Oh, wait. Look at the 18 now.
Oh, wait. Hey. We also in a lot of baby. It's not nice or medication.
Eat the blind. It has full of mine.
You're going to plot of land. Hey, now
you will not speak Igbo, man. Can you get a plot of land?
Yeah, plot of land. Ibunisi. Ile ya Ibunisi kita ijegola na banyi. Ima ego ni now.
Ima ego ana kita nonya.
Ego ne biya Ibunisi.
Ima half go ego.
Ego na ki Ibunisi.
Ima ego ne ana no kita na buy.
Yeah, Ibunisi ego ne. Ana run nearly 1,000.
Land kita na buy. Keke oru 1,000 pound. Yeah, oge ngo yoru 1,000. Kita oge ru 1,000 pound. Kita. Mana land that 1,000 pound.
Ima ego no 1 pound na naira.
1,000 pound, not 1 million. He make 1 something million. Yes.
Na village ayo go na ndo wa ayo go ya.
Na village ya na resident na village ewu. Ya na resident na village kita from 3.5 million. Sorry o, open here o digi sorry o. Mana.
Agbafo ina.
Together nonte.
Ansi na agide nyonsi. Aworo for atigi. So ne bia kaina ganiru. Mana ife nje pofta geba maka nnuku mmemme na kwade ime. ICSN na kwade nnuku mmemme. I na 25 years anniversary. Echitem mgbe bata ICSN Mgbe bata ICSN ị kana agwa akwụkwọ ị kana eme your training.
Yeah.
And then rapakwa na ichotakwa all the position because I'm reason iji tinye isi na that position itinye isi. Itinye isi ebe maka na ịchọ inwe experience ka o wee nyelekwa gị aka na akwụkwọ ị na-agụkwa ka iwekwa experience. And ọkwotu a ka iwefugotu ICSN na-enyere aka ndị anyị ga-ekwe m ntị akwụkwọ na ị na-agụ finance or ị na-agụ leadership ịchọkwa that experience. ICSN will provide that platform for you. Otu o si provide tukwa nwanne anyị nwaanyị ebe platform ahụ mgbe ọ na-agụ akwụkwọ nke ya nwa ọ na-agụ finance accountancy ngwa ka m transfer my experience n'ime ICSN. So 25 years I na-eme kịta kedu ife ị na-eneba anya ka ife ị na-achọ what are you looking forward to beyond the 25 years and more to come?
Beyond the 25 years and more to come. Yeah, kwa. Na question nke I The reason why is because sometimes I had there 25 years and more to come.
That's important.
Ezoku because I'm sure no guy be do. I actually hold 25 years and more to come, and I never buy no now. In 25 years to come, well, I'm gonna talk ICSN obviously expand or they're bigger than UIU. Some in the UIU, Aburu ICSN London, where is more classes available, more like Igbo classes for Umazi than because kita all Igbo classes for Ndo KIB and for Umazi, which because Igbo language obuni ikuzu Umazi from the right age, it will be harder to learn when they're older. Johnson. So to have that, have our own house, ICSN house, it will make things easier. It will make GHM easier. All the whole parties. Because in ICSN house, in where small that says Ganiru now, and then now sponsor Umazi to university and all those things. Exactly. I want you to o ye dị ka nke gị
eziokwu nke anyị bụ ndị Icsn anyị ọrụ nke mo nke anyị ọ dị important ọ dịkwa important ka anyị na-enwekwe nke ihe belong to anyị nwa ịghọtago so anyị na-ekenekwe gị na-asịkwa gị ife niile imekwa na Icsn obodozi eze otu isi wee wetakwa the experience ịmụtachacha na akwụkwọ niile igwe wee bịakwa transfer n'ime Icsn anyị na-asị gị mmaji pụrụ mmaji maka na ọ bụrụ na imere ya anyị ma nọkwa ebe anyị nọ enwekwa ndị megoro before you gụ abịakwa tụtụrụkwa the bat megokwe nke gị mechekwa wee handụkwa the bat to the next generation so ihe na-achọ ịjụ gị kịta kedu advice ị ga-enye the next generation na-apụta ọ ndị na-achọ ịkwado ịbata na Icsn biko kedu advice ị ga-enyefa
advice m ga-enye ndị na-abịa Icsn wụ mara ihe na-abịa ime and oge nke m some people bịa for fun.
Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm a fan.
Some people be a rich or di.
Oh
some
yes.
people be a rich or wine.
Oh my gafa.
I don't want to but man farmer chonwe ha.
Nga bogafa.
Chidera
chota di. Hey.
Man a chota ram di na Icsn.
Ta bafo Icsn model gi. I model gi. Sachagaru.
Chineke
God. Sachagaru. Tinye plot of land n'isi gi.
Chineke God.
Tinye gi Apple Watch n'aka.
Oni chotara nwunye gi na Icsn. Onwekwu ihe dị njọ na ịchọta nwunye na Icsn. There's nothing wrong with it.
Ma na akoma ezo nke m. Ma abịa ebe a mee tọmgbọ wee tụtụrụ okwu ewa.
Edishon ịtụtụrụ ofu wee wa.
Ọsọsọ ofu ka ntụtụ ọnụ ka ntụtụ.
Edishon ịtụtụrụ ofu wee wa.
Nsị na akpa gị.
Anyway.
Go on.
Can I have you open your page right now because
nke gị dịkwa egwu. Emepekwa nke gị. But nke gị dị egwu. Nke gị ịbịa ebe na-eme ụmụ nwoke akpịrị tọkọtọkọ.
Because I abịa home ịbịa chọdị. That's the thing.
The Bible said a woman should stay in their father's house and men shall come and look for her. Onwere mgbe Chineke si na nwaanyị je chọla di.
Ọkwa ndị na-ekwu otu Bible dịkwa very wicked no wow. Be mindful of them. Okay. My advice to ndị na-abịa know what you want, come enjoy yourself. If you want to run for an exec, you're welcome to. It's an open organization, and like you said, Icsn will welcome you. Any experience open they valuable to Icsn, and also you learn on the job as well. So yeah.
Okay, that's very good. So Kedi, imana since you know na Icsn, kwa we chia so ndị na-achị ndị ikwadokwa ndị bụ ndị isi with the role in around. Kedi, your favorite part, what did you enjoy being an exec?
The unity. Imana sina igwe bike udo na ọganiru. Honestly, the unity, the family, like, how do I explain it? You leave your own family to another family, if that makes sense. And probably it's because I'm grateful for the set of people that, that were in my own tenure or cohort, or tashi, ndị bekee na-asị na cohort. I
know about this school.
Ejehom school now.
Go on. I can understand.
So ndị village unu ka na-eme ihe na ndị wawa kụwa ya isi ma efi ya na iri ji asị m gị kụwa ya isi
rapụrụ ndị otu flavor ha wee fa ife ọzọ na-alụ nụ laikụlụ egwu too much.
Mana the unity, the platform to learn, because can't run a chat for finance. I took a break and ran again for assistant network director, not the network director. It was assistant network director. So, it's all that people are there to support you, if you need anything, even outside of Icsn as well. So,
yeah. Jump, he won't jump. You better go to flat. Buy any ego from ego, bogging. I just wanted to keep Bogo's point.
Manando's are on going for Yena. As I did not get run, I was also finance exec, PR, and Yena. But as I then, you can just make PR drum. So I had to go with what I know and what I already have experience in, which unfortunately is finance, because I had then completed my AAT level 4 and going off to, going off to university.
You like it,
you have a good mark. It will not case.
Also case,
I can use it as case study now. I can use it as case study for my PhD.
So, Bibi Icsn. ịgbara aka nwere ihe ejighị aka nwere ihe iji aka nwere ihe ejighị aka iwe bata ICSN iwe nọlụ iwe meche somehow miraculously eme ndị what God cannot do does not exist apụta sị uru n'omume iwe nweta di hey anyị na-ajụkwa di gị akwụkwọ onye Igbo
mgbe ifu di m enjoy it.
Okay, no problem. M ga-ajụ n'ime akwụkwọ onye
mana ịma mfu di m until ụmụ m eto because m ga-eme sure na ọfụ
ịgba
ị ga-just gara afụ picture ya ma WhatsApp
akụkọ Paulina nna anụ Igbo akụkọ so ne imela ọfụma so ịma na Icsn nkịta na-expand anyị na-aga ebe niile so far kịta anyị emepego new branch na Manchester plan anyị ịma na ikwuru okwu otu ndị UI si arụ n'ife anyị chọkwara ka anyị mekwa otu ahụ with the UK branches anyị nwee Manchester anyị nwee Coventry nwee Birmingham by the grace of God but before I ga-eru 30 years of Icsn anyị nwego another 2 or 3 more branches in different cities so give the advice here. How do we attract or engage our youth, our graduates, our Igbo graduates that are out there that are coming up that want to belong to such an organization like this? How do we do it?
How do we do it? There's so many ways to go about it. First of all, you need the man nduka youth teacher. Like ndị Igbo, yes, mana ndị Igbo nwere ife ha chọrọ ime. Does that make sense? Not everybody chọrọ. Amamutengi shikowe, but I guess in a layman terms, it's probably like to first of all do a research, to know what you can do to engage the youth. The youth stage is very challenging. We've all been youths, you get parents I go from here to the other side. So, but maybe we can introduce internship, voluntary internship or paid internship, depending on, Utaisha Agani, do you understand? More networking opportunities, maybe, like job fairs, that kind of a thing. But you need to boil it down to research. You guys sit up on HRE, Ibidonia, email your research, marry and do Budano like, and that way you'll be able to project, you get introduced to them.
So, all the important. So, because my last 2 questions, because we're going to be in our own last.
Yeah?
Can be in our own.
Can be in our own last. Okay. Hi.
Can you actually Eliza? I was Eliza or Charlie. Charlie covers Eliza. Eliza Walla.
Now.
All of what again? Then you cannot go young while I'm not where. Can be in our own last. I go to Gajan.
Okay, on last to 2021 December.
You got village.
I got village. I got more man now. Echo Mumiri this time, and I got village. Echo
Kobo.
I call Mubo.
Ije Banco. A female. After us, auntie, can I wash your clothes for you? Auntie can't sort of auntie can't belly. You need to go for an apple. I can even plot of land in easy way better. Hell! No, you like it reformer. So, because can't you go
on, you like reformer? We not like reformer nowhere.
I am going to be a reformer.
Oh, okay. That's the case.
So, we now on last. Can you feel like Maka, the culture of Igbo?
Can you feel like Ofala?
Because in it.
Na mama tenge shikowa umu enito igiye wo fala.
Ya call upon umu enit.
Mama tenge shikowa haka hawo.
Umu literally.
Oh God, you know yen kuzina akowari for fumu te agi shuwa. Break o ya down.
Go abonye kwala fala. Na gwa yin force ko yin force like you wouldn't be. Na gwa mu.
I like Motaisha my back home. I don't know how to explain it. Like, the Igbo culture is so rich that when you go to any of the Igbo events, either wedding, cultural events, you don't want to leave. You actually just want to stay there. And so many other things. Manifema like Robo. Some of them buy back home. Amuro back home. Toru back home. Naga school back home. Others also on the buy.
Oh.
Others also buy. It's sorry hi. Oh, nekedu. I'm okay. You okay? No, but don't nage. Enugu State, Abia State, Anambra, Nimo State. But anyway, it's just out there. Man, there's so many other things. I'm trying to think of other things that there's so many actually. You need to just come back to the east. Na machine. Get in the jam question and beef. If was at the camp, at that time, can I see
all the question can if the buy no pass a call, us no ask a call, almost a million imana so if I'm in a mirror, then a make up now, mirror camera. Can't you quaggy? You might quit sin. I'm a machine. Guinea machine.
I'm a machine in the buy.
Go move with fee, machine.
Fio. Jesus. Issue, getting kitchen.
Unquabi, my question, Quabi.
I'm a machine.
Of course.
You're going to him before now.
Of course, now I'm on Tabili. I don't blame you. Because last thing, because what does it mean to be Igbo?
What does it mean to be Igbo? Nah. Question that is go because I'm not answer that question.
Nah, because what does it mean to be Igbo? As a young Igbo living in diaspora, what does it mean to you to be Igbo?
Hey. I'm not answer that.
To be Igbo, like belonging, being an Igbo person for me. I have a place that I always go back to. Forget that I'm born and bred here and I can speak the language English.
Wait, is born and bred here? Could I get by I'm working na village.
Village in
I'm working na
Wawa. Village Wawa. Wawa didn't hackney.
Nah, try each other.
Wawa didn't hackney.
I'm get by na
I can not call it now. What way as a question in
I see now we're gonna hackney. If you know this guy, what does it mean to be Igbo to you? Can you just name one sentence? What does it mean to be Igbo to you? Like I said, having my own group of people, community, people that I can reach out to. Now that I'm a mom, I have like a group of Igbo sisters that I can actually communicate with and be like, oh, hey, did you guys experience this during your own time? Did you get, I know. So, looking forward to my children also being involved, taking part, that kind of thing. So, God's willing, they'll be interested.
So, last thing, because if you get melem kita, I'm not 25 years. Give Icsn, just tell them well wishes. Wish them well, congratulate them on what they're about to do. 25 years adris, or 25 days, or 25 weeks, or 25 months, or 25 years. So because if you go guafa, because you come to so Igbo, it's true Igbo. It toilet we are English. Because in Mokenda na kwa wata kwa ifina, because English ga wore on aga kutra. Because so Igbo, so all for Igbo, and then much as a toilet.
Hey!
You know, you come a plot of land and yada for Pana.
Plot
of land Igbo nisi.
Okay. Because joke you. Mana Icsn. 25 years, like you said, that was 25 days. 25 years I work on beans. You guys have done so well. Advice, or well wish, as always, you always have my support, and I know you guys will do well, expand, meet all your goals, and I'm looking forward to see what Icsn actually have for us in the future, So yeah. Then, man, well done. Sorry, now so me in English eventually, so that can any children now watch? Yeah, will understand me better. My near breaking me down English.
You trying, and because I'm when in it gonna get quick and sorry, Mom, what did he say?
How the luck in a man with her dialect in the sucker.
Oh, yeah, you have anyways, I can check and ask again Dalo. Yeni mere chikugozi kwege maje ọ ga-adelege mma ụmụ gị mekwelege otisi mekwela Icsn and biko echezekwa na anyị na nchetakwa anyị echekwana ka anyị bịa kpọlọ gị aka bịakwa na akọla anyị aka na-asịkwa ndị be anyị ka ekunu mere na-asịkwa kwị nọ na alụm na anyị ị ga na-ebatakwa ebe a na-asịkwa anyị ndị be anyị ndị ọ nọkwa na Icsn meet WhatsApp group anyị nke ọ bụla nọ biko na-abịa na-ekene anyị na-asịkwa anyị nọ anyị mekwa event anyị need kwe support gị
nsogbu adịwa
anyị bịa kọlụ gị aka maka na anyị ma na ị nwere ya ijiri ya ọ dịrị
ana m always a call
ama m nukwe watch Jesus nwaanyị nwere ego ka ụsọ nne ngwa ka ọ dịkwa ndị be anyị
nna ka ọ dị ndị be anyị well done